In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a template in Shopify. This is a handy skill to know if you're customizing your online store and need to make adjustments to your theme's templates. Let's dive right into the process and get your template renamed with ease. First, you'll want to start at your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the menu on the left side of your screen and look for the option labeled Online Store. Once you locate it, click on it. This will expand another menu underneath it, and you'll now see an option for themes. Click on Themes, and this will bring you to the page where all your theme settings are managed. Here you can see a list of all the themes you may have installed on your Shopify store. Next, look for the theme that contains the template you want to rename. Beside your current active theme, you'll find a button with 3 dots, also known as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on this button, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down list, select Edit Code. This selection will open up the code editor, a vital tool in Shopify where you can access all the files that make up your theme. Once you're in the code editor, your next step is to locate the folder specifically labeled Templates. You'll find this folder listed on the left panel within the code editor, alongside other folders and theme files. Click on the Templates folder to open it and take a look at the list of template files it contains. Now, identify the specific template file you want to rename from the list. Once you've found it, click on its name. When you do that, a pencil icon should appear next to your selected file name. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon. This will trigger a dialog box to pop up. In the Rename File dialog, you'll see a field labeled File Name. This is where you can input the new name for your template. Be sure to enter your desired name carefully, ensuring there are no spelling mistakes or unnecessary spaces, as these could cause functionality issues on your website. After you've entered the new template name, proceed by clicking the Rename File button. And just like that, your template will be renamed successfully. Please keep in mind that renaming template files can sometimes lead to issues with your store if not done correctly. Therefore, it's always a good idea to proceed with caution and double-check your work. And that's all there is to it. Remember, if you're renaming other theme files, not just templates, you can easily right-click on any file and select Rename from the drop-down menu. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing your Shopify store.